In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 best products that you should promote for affiliate marketing. I'm going to include why you should promote them and how you can get started right away. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which 5 I think are right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, these are my top 5 affiliate products to promote as an affiliate marketer. I've had various levels of success promoting these products, and I think that you should get started with them too. Now, the first one is simply with web hosting. Now, web hosting like Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy, Hostinger will allow people to create a website. The reason why I like this opportunity is because there are millions of people that are looking to add a website for a variety of reasons. There is a segment out there that want to start a blog, and so they need a website of some sort. There are small businesses that want and need websites, and there are people that are starting a business and they want and need a website. And so what you can do is you can go over to YouTube and say like how to start a blog like this, how to start a blog and make money, and you're going to see there are millions of views. And what you can do is you can even niche down and talk about, how to start an e-commerce website. We'll just get rid of this e-commerce website. And when you walk people through the process of starting a website, you can recommend the best web hosting platform, explain exactly what it is to them, and then you can make money. You can also do simple comparisons. You can do Bluehost versus like this, and you're going to see that there are thousands of people that are asking this question. For example, here, this top result, 765 from 8 months ago, 361 from a year ago, 147, and all of these channels, most of these channels have less than 5,000 subscribers, but they're getting tons of views. And the cool thing is you could promote both Bluehost and Wix, and you could potentially make money. You can also do something like, we can say best website builder. And we know that people that are looking up website builders don't have a website. Best website builder, like this. And then once again, people are looking for their individual needs. And I'll show you a channel that is a teeny tiny channel that is earning commissions doing this exact thing. So if we go over to web hosting rewind like this. Now, the cool thing is with affiliate marketing, we don't need to be monetized by the YouTube Partner Program. We can simply make money promoting or recommending other people's products and services. And so once you become monetized, that's the icing on the cake. But as you can see here, how to start a personal development blog. It only has 26 views, but we know that those 26 people are interested and ready to start a personal development blog. And you can see over and over again that there are, I would say, probably close to maybe 5,000 to 7,000 views with people that are looking to start an individual blog based on their needs. And since you know their needs, you can promote the best product for them and earn commissions every single month. And so that's number 1. Number 2 is with tech. The reason why I like promoting tech is, believe it or not, the content is evergreen, but you're going to always have people that are gravitating to the new content. For example, last week I talked about the Mac Studio. So if we look at Mac Studio, it's a new product from Mac. And if we look at it, we can see that there are millions of views of people that are interested in buying a brand new Mac Studio. But if we scroll down here, this person only has 8,000 subscribers and 19,000 views. And there's a bunch of different ways that you can attack this. This person is showing you the ins and outs of a Mac Studio. You can do unboxings, you can do reviews, you can do previews. And another thing that works very well is how-to videos for Mac Studio. So there are 2 types of people that are looking up how-to videos. One group of people are people that are stuck, and the second group of people are people that are looking to transition to Mac Studio, but they want to make sure that all of their needs are met before they actually make a purchase. So if we said like how to underscore in Mac Studio, while there may not be a lot of questions yet, there will be questions in the near future with people that are running into issues. All of these are actually makeup related, but you can see creating content on tech is evergreen, and it attracts a new group of buyers every single buying cycle. People that are interested in iPhones are going to buy the new iPhone, and you can create content to get in front of those people. If we looked up like how to underscore Apple, we'll say iPhone 10. That's an older model of iPhone, but you can see people are asking questions about the older model of iPhone. So that's why I believe it's still evergreen, because while new products, new tech comes out every few months, there are still people that are looking up old tech. And so you can create content for old tech, showing them tips and tricks, and you can also create content about new tech and potentially make money. So I really like the tech sector for making money. Now, the next great product to promote with affiliate marketing are with courses. Now, you may be thinking the only way to make money with courses is to teach people how to make money with courses. In reality, there are tons of courses where you can make money. One of the biggest ones out there is, and I've talked about this before, is with the tech space. So if we go over to Udemy, and Udemy is a great affiliate program because it has a strong name in the industry. A lot of people know it and they're aware of it. But if we look at this, you can see people are looking up the metaverse. The top result for metaverse, he has, I think, 20,000 students, and 27,000 students, and you could potentially earn a commission by referring people over to the metaverse courses. But there are courses for everything: photography, programming, getting your life together, coaching. There's all sorts of stuff out there. And the great thing is there's both low ticket and high ticket courses. One of the problems I would say with affiliate marketing is people think that you only have to promote high ticket stuff, when in reality, if there are people, if there is a buyer or seller for it, you can promote it and you can make decent money. But there are tons of these courses out here. You don't just have to use Udemy. There are other websites that have affiliate programs for their courses. And what you can do is look up affiliate program for courses. And you can see there are tons of these courses out here. Coursera has an affiliate program. 10 best education affiliate programs. There's just lots of opportunities for you to make money promoting courses. Another great product to promote with affiliate marketing are programs that are reoccurring. Most software as a service offer a reoccurring component. And the reason why I like it is simply because you are going to get paid over and over again for doing the same amount of work. And one of the challenges with affiliate marketing is that your money resets to zero every single month. However, if you have a reoccurring client base, you're not starting off at zero. You have a foundation, and you get paid with reoccurring commissions as long as the client stays a client. And one of the great ways to make sure that the client sticks longer and increasing your stick rate is to offer free training. You can offer free training monthly, every few weeks, just to make sure that they are happy and they remain a customer. But GetResponse, for example, is one of the affiliate programs that offer reoccurring commissions. You can kind of pencil in X amount of dollars every single month as long as your customers stick to GetResponse. And then the final affiliate program that I recommend, or the best products to promote I recommend, is anything. Yes, anything and everything. If it can be bought and sold online, you can promote it and you can have success with it. I've promoted everything from web hosting to sound bars to stand mixers and security cameras, and I've made money in all of them. So if it can be bought and sold online, you can have success. One of the biggest issues that new affiliate marketers face is people are trying to push them into promoting affiliate marketing or make money online, or some kind of high ticket course, when they maybe have an interest in promoting garden seeds or different seeds for flowers. If you have an interest in anything and it's being bought and sold online, there's an affiliate program for it and you can promote it. So just to recap real quick: web hosting or VPNs, tech, courses of any sort, reoccurring commissions like software as a service, and then really anything that can be bought and sold online is a great affiliate program to promote. Now that you know the 5 best products to promote with affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.